When you want an RV built for every adventure, but need a motorhome for every member of your family. Hi, I'm Steve from Thor Motor Coach, and this is the family-friendly, pet-friendly 2022 ACE Class A gas motorhome. For 2022, the ACE has 5 great floor plans, and we're going to walk through all of them. Starting with the smallest ACE in the lineup, the 27.2. So here's a look from front to back, and we have some real nice features packed in here. Over on the campside, you have your cozy sofa, and there's a shelf with cup holders and room for your personal items right behind it. So you can put your special touches right here to make it feel like home. Straight across is your dream dinette, and this is going to be your go-to place for meals. You have built-in cup holders, so it makes a very nice place for passengers when you are on those road trips. This kitchen has what you need. A large single-bowl stainless steel sink, 3-burner gas cooktop and oven, microwave and double-door fridge, plus you have a number of cabinets and drawers underneath. There's even room on the counter here for your treat jar, as the ACE is the pet-friendly Class A motorhome. You have a very nice bathroom in the 27.2. It features everything you need in a restroom, like a shower with skylight and porcelain foot flush toilet. As we step into the bedroom, you're going to find a king-size bed and all the storage you need to bring along your favorite clothes for your adventuring. So one last look from back to front in the 27.2 as we step into the 29.5. So take a look around in here. This is a great floor plan, and you're going to love this campsite dinette. This is the perfect place to sit. Picture it. You're here, you're looking out at your Lakeview campsite. Maybe you're going to shoot off a few emails or even post updates to your favorite social media page. Straight across, you have a couple of options, like these theater seats when you feel like just kicking back and putting your feet up. How about the sofa? This is a great place, right? You have cup holders, even a shelf back here. Plus, it looks out the large window we just showed you over the dream dinette, so you can just sit back and watch nature roll by. And check out this space. You have a very nice kitchen back here. The kitchen in every ACE is fully equipped, so you can make your favorite at-home meals when you're on the road. The bathroom in the 29.5 is midship. You're going to love the space and storage in here. So this is what I'm talking about. You have room here for extra towels, maybe a few extra soaps. This is everything you need in a bathroom. We're going to wrap up our tour of the 29.5 in the bedroom. Back here, you're treated to a king bed. You have very nice nightstands, all the charging ports you need. You have large closets and dresser tops. It's the perfect retreat at the end of the day. So one more look from back to front, and now we're off to the 30.3. For those of you who want the most counter space you can get, you're going to love what the 30.3 is serving up. Let's start with this large campsite kitchen. This countertop stretches all along your campsite, and it is ready for all your cooking needs. You actually have a number of options here. Maybe you use it as a buffet table. It also makes a great entertainment center, as the TV is right here, so pop it up and enjoy movie night. On the driver's side, you have your sofa and dream dinette. The dinette is your go-to place, as you can use it for everything. All your meals, entertaining, and planning out the next leg of your family adventure. The sofa is comfy, cozy, and convenient as it makes into a bed, as do all sofas on all ACE floor plans. Now the 30.3 is the only ACE floor plan that offers up this roomy split bath. Over on the one side, you have your shower with shelves for your soaps, even a skylight for lots of natural light. And over on the other side, you have your sink, your porcelain foot flush toilet, along with all the storage and counter space you need to get ready for the day. Our last stop is the bedroom, where you have a queen bed, along with nightstands, charging ports, large dressers, and closets. One last look from back to front, and we are off to the 32.3. If you need all the sleeping room you can muster, then step into the Bunkhouse model, and let's head straight there. Check this out. The bunks have an easy-to-store ladder. Each bunk has a tablet holder. So this is a nice place for the kids to really have their own space. All right, so let's head back up front, where we have snacks waiting at the dream dinette. Clean up those snacks in the large stainless steel sink in the kitchen. Like every ACE floor plan, the kitchen has you covered for all your meal prep needs, and it offers you a number of cabinets above and below. So now it's time to relax on the sofa. Go ahead, put your drinks behind you in the cup holders, and catch up on your favorite show. We talked about maximum sleeping capacity, and yes, along with the bunks, the sofa and dinette quickly make into a bed. You're going to like the bathroom layout in here. You have a shower with curved glass door. The sink is surrounded by very usable counter space, and up top, mirrors and a medicine cabinet. The bedroom features a king bed with the nightstands offering you all the ports and plugs you need. Even on the dresser tops, you have a place to decorate to make your ACE feel more like home. Last in the ACE lineup is the 33.1, the largest of the family. And in here, you are treated to 3 seating options in your living area. Let's start with the reclining theater seats. They are just as comfortable as they look, and they are perfect for putting your feet up after a long day of exploring. This sofa is going to make you a happy camper as it's waiting for you to sink into and relax. With cup holders built into the shelf behind, this is also a great place for entertaining. The 33.1 is also equipped with the Dream Dinette, and just like every other floor plan, you're going to use this space day or night as every dinette converts into a bed. So let's check out that campsite kitchen. It has what you need to get the job done, from simple snacks to gourmet gatherings. In every ACE, you have a large single bowl sink, 3-burner gas cooktop with oven, and a double-door fridge. Moving on, check out the space in this bathroom. You have room on the countertops, storage for soaps and extra towels. There's a place in here for everything. Our final stop is in the bedroom, where you have a king bed. It features charging ports in the nightstands, even on the dresser tops. And no matter what ACE floor plan fits you, they all have some fabulous features in common. So the ACE is going to come in a few decor choices. You have urban loft with Carolina cherry cabinetry, or in this bright and inviting home collection. We know storage is important when you are traveling, which is why the ACE features a space for everything. From overhead cabinets, storage above the bunk, kitchen storage, and large closets in the bedroom. You're even going to find a place for your best buddy, as every ACE has this convenient pull-out pet dish. We talked a little bit about working from the road, and getting connected to the internet is easy with the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. You can now use a data plan from your favorite carrier or buy a plan through WineGuard. No matter what you choose, you're going to be able to set up a safe, secure, one-password Wi-Fi connection in your ACE. You can use that connection to stream your favorite movies and shows to the TVs with your own streaming device, or pop a movie in the Blu-ray player. The ACE is ready when you feel like staying in and watching TV. You can even watch from the drop-down overhead bunk with telescoping ladder. This is always a favorite with kids. So let's talk about another seating option, the swivel captain's chairs. When they are in driving mode, as I like to call it, the passenger can put the flip-out dash workstation to good use. But in living it up mode, both turn around and become part of your living space. And with this pedestal table, you now have another option for entertaining, journaling your trip, or even doing some online shopping. So what do you say? We put these seats in travel mode and take this ACE out for an RV road test. Settled into the cockpit of the ACE, you have your chair adjusted. Let's walk over a few features on the dash, the steering wheel, and your infotainment center before we hit the highway. A cup holder for a nice refreshing beverage for your road trip. Heated remote mirror controls are right here. Here are the controls for your one-touch leveling jacks. You have a charging port. You have a place for your phone, emergency start, auto headlights, a nice dash cluster, which we'll talk about when we get on the highway. You have steering wheel controls. Moving over to your infotainment center, you have a lot of features here to help you on your road trip, whether you want entertainment, be it Sirius XM, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth connection for hands-free calls and music. You also have a nice button to pull up your backup camera, and this is also going to be the monitor for your side view cameras. I love the power of the 7.3-liter Ford V8. Internally, Ford called it Godzilla because when you open it up, it just roars. You're talking 350 horsepower, 468 pound-feet of torque, and that torque builds at 3,900 RPMs. They did a couple of other things here. You also have port fuel injection. You have cooling jets to improve your piston durability. There's also a new cast iron block with a forged steel crank. We're coming up here on the entry ramp, and it is about my favorite time of every journey. It is time to put the hammer down. There it is. There's the Godzilla roar. You gotta love that as you are getting up to speed and merging into traffic. Now Ford tweaked this 6-speed transmission. It is a torque shift 6-speed. This tranny is designed for heavy-duty applications. You have a heavy-duty torque converter and large capacity pump, and that is going to give you better cooling. Diving a little more into the transmission, you do have a tow haul mode here, and it is automatically going to compensate for grade and load conditions. You do have hill start assist, which is a nice feature to have, especially when you are towing, because whether you are on an upgrade or a downgrade, the brakes will stay locked so you're not going to roll backwards or roll forward down that hill. The wheel does telescope, and you have a number of controls on it. On your right, this is going to control the volume and mode of your infotainment center. On the left, you do have your cruise control, and the other buttons control your instrumentation. Let's go over this instrumentation here. You have your speedometer, your tachometer, your trip meter, your oil pressure gauge, coolant temperature, your fuel gauge, even a transmission temperature gauge. You have a message center that is going to give you your engine hour meter, your outside air temperature, your distance to empty. It's a lot of great, easy to read information, all while helping you keep your eyes on the road. As you're driving this, you're going to notice you have a nice controlled ride. A lot of that has to do with the suspension on this F53. You're going to have larger anti-sway bars in the front and in the back. You're going to have better spring rates, and you're going to have better shock tuning. You also have larger jounce bumpers in the front and rear. Maybe you've heard these called bump stops. The bump stops are going to do a number of things for you. It's going to keep your suspension from bottoming out, which is never a good thing. It's going to keep your ACE riding correctly when you have this loaded. So imagine how much weight is going to change on the rear axle of this motorhome when you are in the front seat, right? You have your whole family with you. You have your camping gear. Maybe you have some bikes on the back. They're going to help support the extra load and maintain safe handling and balance. It's going to give you a better level ride. You have really good steering feel on this because you have heavy duty linkage and pitman arm. You also have power assist with a cooler. The ACE is a great driving Class A motorhome. You and your family are going to love taking it to all of your dream destinations, and we are about to go to our destination so we can show you around the outside. So you can get your ACE with two exterior colors with partial paint. There's Fire Brick and Blue Flame. On every ACE floor plan, you are going to get a gas generator, and they all have auto gen start. You have dual roof AC standard on the 30.3, the 32.3, and the 33.1. Up top is the panel for the optional 100 watts of solar charging. The ACE is also backed by the best warranty in the business. You get 12 years on the structure, 6-year lamination, and a 1-year limited warranty. And once you're out here, living it up outside is easy. All right, so first you have a number of storage bays of all sizes to hold all your gear, like this gas grill, and you can see where we're going with this. Pull that grill out, get it connected to your Quick Connect propane connection. Now in the 29.5 and 30.3, pop open that exterior kitchen. All right, get out your camping chairs. Set them up under the power awning with LED lighting. Open the exterior TV and turn on the game. Oh yeah, there is certainly something here for everyone. This is the 2022 ACE. For all the features, specs, and to find the floor plan made to fit you, visit thormotorcoach.com.